Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle with Mr. D1 at blogspot.com, and I want to share an idea with you that's working for me right now in the hybrid setting really well. Like our students just returned here to the full hybrid model with all the kids who are going to be here. So it's about maybe 40% of the kids, close to 50, who are in class, and then I'm teaching on the screen, as many of you have been doing much longer than I have. So I felt it was very important for them to engage with each other and to have fun and to enjoy things that they were doing. So I decided to look at some Name That tunes on Kahoot. And I found a lot of them. There are several good ones that are about 35 questions long, which is maybe 25 minutes. And they have a variety of music and you can easily edit them. I just duplicate them and I edit and add some things that I want or whatever. And then I decided that Mondays would be the Name That Tune day. So I did 2 Mondays in a row and it was a big hit. I mean, all the kids were like, can we do this again next Monday? It's a good way to start the week. And I, found some more and we did another one yesterday and I mixed some different varieties in with what was already there. They laughed, they got really competitive. I said that the student who scored the highest of everybody for the whole day in all the classes would get a bag of Starburst. And as those of you who know my work know that I use Starburst a lot. And then I gave the top 5 who are in the class, because Kahoot gives you a list, 5 Starburst each. And it was just great. I mean, they loved the experience. They got super competitive, had fun, talked, of course they're masked, they're talking around the room. I just let them interact and have a good time. So those are the types of activities that we have to insert sometimes, I think, even though I wasn't teaching anything new, but it really did change the whole energy in the room from what it could have been on like a typical Monday after returning from spring break, for example. So I hope that gives you some ideas. Go on Kahoot, find some good Name That Tune things, create your own, give them prizes. It's a great Monday activity. All right, have a good day.